Hardmeier is ein industrial.
Hardmeier is an industrial electronics manufacturer in Winterthur, Switzerland. We produce industrial electronic products such as this controller board with 1,770 components mounted on both sides. We have invested in a material management system to ensure that all material is stored intelligently, from the warehouse receipt of the components to the setup on the machines. We can now manage between 3,000 and 4,000 reels. With Essemtec Smart Material Management solution, we are able to locate materials and set up machines 3 to 4 times faster as with the old system, significantly minimizing line waiting time. We are satisfied with the complete system from Essemtec. All interfaces are perfectly synchronized and performing well.
Wir sind sehr zufrieden mit der.
We are very satisfied with Essemtec. We can now find and get any reel in the production in less than 30 seconds by the support of the system and the pick of the LED.